In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read related topics in Google Trends fast and easy. Navigating Google Trends can be a fantastic way to gain insights into current and emerging trends, which can be invaluable for your content strategy, SEO, or marketing plans. Let's dive into how you can quickly and effectively navigate through related topics on this powerful platform. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Trends by typing it into your search engine. Click on the first link you see. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll want to click on the Explore button. This button is your gateway to all the data and insights that Google Trends has to offer. Next, enter the keyword you're interested in. This could be something related to your specific niche, product, or even a general topic of interest. For example, if you're curious about digital marketing or remote work, type that into the search bar. Once you've entered your keyword, hit Enter to generate a trend graph. This graph will give you a snapshot of the search interest over time for the keyword you've selected. To get more precise data, set your location and language filters. This step is crucial if you're targeting a specific country or region. Make sure to use the search term versus topic distinction to tailor your results. This ensures you're getting the most relevant data that matches the language of your target audience. Now you'll want to choose a time range for your data. Setting the time period to the past 12 months can show you recent changes in interest, while selecting the past 5 years can help you identify long-term patterns. This step is particularly useful for understanding how trends develop and change over time. Once you've done that, it's time to dive into analyzing related topics. Look at the associated brands, categories, or subjects that appear alongside your keyword. This can help you spot emerging interests or identify complementary niches. These insights can be incredibly valuable for planning new content, adjusting your SEO strategy, or tailoring your next marketing campaign. If you're curious about where your topic is most popular, you can check the regional interest section. Scroll to Interest by Sub-Region to see where related topics are trending. This is a handy tool if you're considering targeting specific locations with your content or advertising campaigns. Finally, you can add a layer of comparison by clicking on the Plus Compare button. Here, you can enter multiple keywords to see how they measure up against each other. This comparison can help you discover which topics are most popular or gaining traction in your area of interest. After exploring these features, simply scroll down to review the results. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly use Google Trends to understand and utilize related topics in no time. Happy trending!